Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. Can you trade from a Coinbase wallet? Now, I know that this might seem like a simple question, but the answer is actually a bit more complicated than you might think. So, let's dive in and take a closer look. What is a Coinbase wallet? Before we can answer the question of whether or not you can trade from a Coinbase wallet, we need to first understand what a Coinbase wallet is. A Coinbase wallet is a self-custody wallet that allows you to store and manage your cryptocurrency. It is similar to a traditional bank account, but instead of holding fiat currency, it holds cryptocurrency. Coinbase wallets are available on both desktop and mobile devices. They are also available as hardware wallets, which are more secure than software wallets. Can you trade from a Coinbase wallet? The answer to this question is yes, you can trade from a Coinbase wallet. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, you will need to connect your Coinbase wallet to a Coinbase exchange account. This will allow you to transfer your cryptocurrency between your wallet and your exchange. Second, you will need to use a decentralized exchange, DEX, to trade your cryptocurrency. This is because Coinbase does not allow you to trade directly from your wallet. Once you have connected your wallet to an exchange and set up a DEX, you can start trading your cryptocurrency. How to trade from a Coinbase wallet? Now that we know that you can trade from a Coinbase wallet, let's take a closer look at how to do it. Connect your Coinbase wallet to a Coinbase exchange account. To do this, you will need to create a Coinbase exchange account if you don't already have one. Once you have created your account, you can connect your Coinbase wallet to it by following the instructions on the Coinbase website. Set up a DEX. There are a number of different DEXs that you can use. Some popular options include Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and SushiSwap. Once you have chosen a DEX, you will need to create an account and connect it to your Coinbase wallet. Start trading. Once you have connected your wallet to a DEX, you can start trading your cryptocurrency. To do this, simply select the cryptocurrency that you want to trade and enter the amount that you want to buy or sell. Important things to remember. Before you start trading from your Coinbase wallet, there are a few important things to remember. DEXs are still relatively new and can be buggy. It is important to do your research and choose a reputable DEX before you start trading. Trading cryptocurrency can be risky. It is important to understand the risks before you start investing. Always use two-factor authentication, 2FA, when accessing your Coinbase wallet. This will help to protect your account from unauthorized access. In conclusion, yes, you can trade from a Coinbase wallet. However, there are a few things to keep in mind before you do so. I hope this blog post has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching. Until next time.